Oh my goodness. Look at the waves over there.
That's right, guys. We are going to ride this bad boy today.
Okay. I guess you can try the big waves, even it's way too big than I thought it was. Anyways, me, Kane a cat, and Son a cat are going to find the perfect spot for a picnic. It is really hard to choose, but we can sort it out in the end. But you can enjoy by surfing the big waves around the ocean if you want. So anyways, see ya. Alrighty everyone, who's ready to jump in the ocean?
Me.
Alright, let's do this. To the ocean.
Swimming in the ocean, Paix cat. Cannonball.
Okay. Man, I'm really scared while doing this. Hopefully the water isn't cold. Wait, what was that? It's cold. I'm out of here. Wow, look at the ocean. It looks so beautiful, even if there's a sunset right here. Don't you get it, Paix cat? Paix cat? Guys, where's Paix cat? I wasn't expecting her to join us, but I can't find her.
Well, Paix cat, I found her shivering. I wonder what's the problem. Wait here, girls. We'll be right back. Paix cat, what's wrong? And why are you shivering?
Yes, there is. I am too scared to surf at the wave pool. I had never went surfing here before. Don't worry, Paix cat. We can be near you if it's that okay with you. I'm pretty sure the waves doesn't splash you. We promise. Well, Okay, I guess I can come with you guys in the ocean. Oh well, here goes nothing. Hopefully they'll come soon. Well.
Yes, Paix cat. You're doing it. You're surfing on the wave.
OMG. I better take a photo of this. Yeah. I'm surfing. Look at me guys. Yeehaw. OMG guys. Look. Paix cat is surfing. Look at her go. Paix cat, we believe in you. Well, Paix cat, you actually were surfing at the wave pool. What do you have to say about this? Well, I think I try my best, but I did well while I'm doing surfing. Even though I was too scared to go into the waves, but I can be brave once and for all. But we can try out some new things if we have.
Atta girl, Paix cat.